Hey, I have a question. Do you, after so many makeup tutorials with it, understand how do deep set eyes look like? How do prominent eyes look like? And especially, do you know what are the basic techniques, makeup techniques for certain eye shape? Write me in the comments below. I'll just talk you through this makeup tutorial because this is a basic classic technique for deep set eyes. On deep set eyes, I usually start doing this C on the outer corner because this is how I'll be able to push the brow bone backwards, connecting it on the lower part if I want to lift the eyes. By connecting this part here, making the flick, I will make the eyes upturned. Going over with a lighter color under the brow bone, but if you noticed, this is not a lighter color to her skin tone, it's actually darker. It will be quite a dramatic look, and by applying darker color there, it will push the brow bone even more in the back. Because Ida has really very deep set eyes, and by applying dark around, even though being a classic technique for deep set eyes, it still makes the eyes look quite sunken. Therefore, I applied that darker color, well, lighter but still darker color under the brow bone, because this is how I was able to visually push everything backwards, going over with black, even darker, making the eye even darker there, because now I can play. It's funny how when you blink, you don't notice how your makeup looks like when you blink, but other people do. So with that lighter color being there over the whole lid and darker around, the makeup looks very developed, looks very advanced. Therefore, I think this is an awesome technique if you really want to make an impression. This is the classic deep set eyes makeup technique. We have plenty, there are a lot of them, and I'll be showing them to you step by step. I just want to know if you understand the basic eye shape and also the techniques that suit certain eye shapes. Once again, write me in the comments there so that I will know what kind of a content to produce in the future. Classic things I'm doing. Also, I want to know this. I'm doing, for my opinion, lots of times same things over and over again. Do you notice that these are pretty much the same techniques that are repeated in makeup tutorials, or should I explain that even more? Let's go back to the tutorial. I wanted to make sort of a full-on makeup look by using dark all over her face, because this is a night out makeup, dramatic, seductive. This is how you can do it, and dramatic, seductive, dark makeup changes the appearance of the face. I guess this is why it's so popular on social media and why girls just love wearing intense makeup throughout the day as well. Going over her blemishes with a touch of a concealer. I'm using a fluffy brush because this is how I was able to get a very thin layer. Also with a fan brush, going over with powder, setting everything up, and mascara all around the eye. Let me know what you think about this makeup look, and tell me what I asked you 2 times already. This is how we did it. Go check our website for an in-depth makeup tutorial where you have illustrations, you have products there, and stay tuned on our blog because there are a lot of things going on. We're developing this website so that it will be something special. Take care. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.